Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and I'm back with Dephemerember, and I am at prompt 7, so I have caught up. I knew I would. See how long that lasts. So prompt 7 is clocks and wings. So clock, I have die cut this clock. It's called Weathered Clock. It's a Tim Holtz Alterations die, and I just die cut it from some scrapbook paper. So that's my clock. This is going to be a super easy video for this prompt, super easy. And of course, things with wings, what's the first thing you think of is butterflies. Well, it's the first thing I think of when I come to do things with wings. So I've got my butterfly box out where they all live, and the naughty butterflies have stolen some of the numbers from the clock. This is already on this page, but I'm happy with that there. So I'm just going to so the numbers have come from a second die cut of the clock, and yeah, the butterflies are stealing the clock numbers, and I'm going to continue this one over on this page on this side. This is a good opportunity to use the butterflies that have their wings folded up. I very rarely use those sorts of butterflies because usually I have the wings opened up, but these butterflies have been busy, and I don't know whether they're naughty stealing the numbers away or whether they're actually being helpful and getting the numbers back to the clock. Now, I had visions of something like that. I don't want them to be 2, 2 and 2. I want them to be kind of... Anyway, we could probably fiddle about with this for a long time, so let's just start sticking them down, and I'm just going to use my glue stick and just get my finger all gluey. Ooh, look at that. Let's put that on that finger. So yeah, so just a case of gluing these down, and yeah, so is everyone enjoying Dephemerember? I hope so. I am thoroughly enjoy it. I look forward to it. Come November each year, I think, oh, do you know what's going to start soon? Dephemerember. I've been joining in from the start, so I'm a long-standing member of the Dephemerember club. So I won't be doing so this will go out on Sunday. I'm actually filming this on Saturday, and I'm going to schedule it for Sunday. So sorry if you're here for the take 3s. The take 3s have been suspended, for want of a better word. I probably don't have enough glue in that, but I can go over it. For December, because you know everyone's busy, and I just thought, well, I join in this for December, and everyone's probably quite busy doing Christmas shopping and decking the halls and eating mince pies and drinking mulled wine and doing all sorts of nice things. So we maybe don't have as much time to spend with our paper and glue and the fun that we have. So I thought, right, maybe with me being busy too, we will start up. I think I want that one there facing that way and that one facing this way. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, and we'll start it up again in January. And I think we'll maybe do another couple of weeks of the take 3s, and then it will be time maybe for something new. Don't know what that might be yet, but I'm sure we will think of something. So I don't think the butterflies are being naughty. I think the butterflies are being helpful, and they're trying to mend the broken clock. Oh, I'm saying broken clock. We go to a coffee shop called Broken Clock. It's just reminded me. So there we are. An real easy one for number 7, and I've got my number 7 stamp here. I hope I've left a wee space. I think I might need to go round this page with the glue and re-stick. Oh, that's really not stuck. Let's just put a dot of glue there and then just rub it in. There, that'll dry. Good, let's just give it a wee rub. That's better, that's well stuck now. This one's not stuck. It's because it's not the glue, it's just because I'm rubbish at putting the glue on little fiddly bits. There. So let's stamp number 7. Let's stamp up here maybe. Right. I could be a bit gung-ho and I could stamp it while it's still on, but let's give it a nice hard background to stamp on rather than on the soft pages. There we are. So what do you think? Do you think the butterflies are naughty or helpful? Yeah. And a wee bit there, I think, as well. There. I'll be picking glue off my fingers all night now. Right, so that's number 7. Clocks and wings. That's a bit of fun, isn't it? Yeah. I do like how it's filling up. Each page is so different. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself with it. So, yeah. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.